Welcome to my channel. Usually I produce videos on better education for advancing technologies, job vacancies in India and abroad, scholarships, fellowships from different universities, organizations and countries. Some countries like New Zealand, Qatar, Sweden, Holland, Norway, Switzerland, India and several countries offer scholarships. That these are given by countries, governments in particular countries. In the present video, I would like to talk about Google Summer of Code open source program. This is a global program. This is very important. Please note down, and soon after you watch this video, you click on to the given link. Designation or position, that is Google Summer of Code internship. Google Summer of Code invites applications for Google Summer of Code internship, and it is for PhD students also, and even other students are also eligible. And watch this video very carefully. By the way, I am Professor Kodandaramaya. I work for the betterment of students in India and abroad. Some of my students are in Australia, Canada, England, US, Germany, Japan, France and Italy. So, if you have done your BS or BTech, you can do this kind of program. If you have already completed MTech, you can also do. And those who are pursuing PhD, they are also eligible to do this summer program. Study level PhD programs, undergraduate programs, student developers 18 years old and over from around the world. Location, Summer of Code, worldwide. Eligibility or qualification, job or position description and how to apply. Last date for apply, that is from 30th March to 14th April 2021. Google Summer of Code invites applications for Google Summer of Code internship PhD students for eligible and interested candidates. About Google. Google Summer of Code internship is a global program focused on bringing more student developers into open source software development. Students work with an open source organization on a 10-week programming project during their break from school. Since its inception means beginning in 2004-5, the program has brought together 16,000 plus student participants and 13,000 mentors from over 118 countries worldwide. Google Summer of Code has produced 3,80,000 plus lines of code for 715 open source organizations. Study level PhD programs, undergraduate programs, student developers 18 years old and over from around the world. Location, Summer of Code worldwide. Eligibility or qualification must be at least 18 years old at the time of registration, must be enrolled in or accepted into a post-secondary academic program including but not necessarily limited to colleges, universities, master's programs, PhD programs, undergraduate programs, licensed coding schools as of the GSOC student acceptance date May 17th, 2021, or graduation from a post-secondary program between December 1st, 2020 and May 17, 2021 must be eligible to work in their country of residence during the duration of the program, must be a resident of a country not currently embargoed by the United States. Job position description. Spend your summer break writing code and learning about open source development while earning stipend. Accepted students work with a mentor and become a part of the open source community. Many become lifetime open source developers. Google Summer of Code is open to students age 18 and older enrolled in a post-secondary academic program in most countries. How to apply? Here at the end of this video, in the description box, the link is provided. Please click on the given link. Last date. So this link will be active from 30th March and between 30th March and 14th April 2021. So you can get a certificate and you can get experience, and this is a world famous certificate. Please do remember, and this is very informative, and you can share this video among your friends and well-wishers, and you can click the like button and bell icon. If you are watching for the first time, subscribe my channel. Wish you all the success. May God bless you. Thank you for watching my video.